Hey, and welcome back for more stock market news updates. For more videos on the latest stock news, go and press the like button, subscribe for more breaking news updates, and now let's get right into the video. The stock market had very positive results due to earnings, with all three major indexes showing gains. The Nasdaq experienced the most significant surge during the month, and the S&P 500 achieved its fifth consecutive month of gains, marking its best streak since 2021. However, there is also bad news. According to the Labor Department's report on Tuesday, job openings declined to 9.6 million in June. Although it was a slight drop from the previous month, it represented a substantial decrease from the 10.3 million job openings recorded in April. June's figures also indicated the fewest job openings in over 2 years. Furthermore, the number of people quitting their jobs decreased sharply to 3.8 million in June from 4.1 million, indicating a potential slowdown in the job market. The Federal Reserve is seeking to cool the job market to reduce pressure on businesses to raise wages, which could help lower inflation. But the good news is that we will get the new jobs report on Friday, which will help us predict inflationary pressures on the economy. In single stock news, we have General Motors announcing a recall of nearly 900 vehicles in the US and Canada due to faulty Takata airbag inflators. These inflators could explode and propel shrapnel in the event of a crash. The recall affects specific Chevrolet cars like the Camaro, Sonic, and Volt vehicles, along with the Buick Verano, all from the 2013 model year. Some 2013 Chevrolet Trax versions in Canada are also included in the recall. In other news, we have Amazon expanding its virtual clinic services to include video telemedicine visits across all 50 states. Customers can now access the virtual clinic around the clock through Amazon's website or app. The clinic offers several telemedicine provider options, allowing customers to compare prices and response times before choosing a service. It's worth noting that the clinic does not accept insurance and is initially focused on text message-based consultations. On top of that, Amazon has seen a surge in one-day and same-day Prime package deliveries this year, delivering over 1.8 billion packages so far, 4 times more than in 2019. The company aims to accelerate its fast delivery options, with over half of Prime orders in the 60 biggest cities already being delivered within 1 day or the same day. To achieve this, Amazon plans to double its same-day warehouses, potentially building numerous new facilities. Tesla is also in the news today because it is seeking almost $100 million in funding from the U.S. government to construct 9 electric semi-truck charging stations along a route from the southern border of Texas to northern California. Simultaneously, Tesla is exploring building a plant in India and has been asked to follow Apple's example by partnering with local firms in any dealings with Chinese suppliers, so these are positive developments for Tesla investors. We also have news for other EV companies regarding their delivery numbers. Several electric vehicle manufacturers reported impressive delivery figures for July 2023. NIO delivered 20,462 vehicles, up 103.6% year over year, while Li Auto delivered 34,134 vehicles, up 227.5% year over year, and XPeng delivered 11,008 vehicles, down 4.5% year over year, but up 28% month over month. You should also be aware that Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong has expressed his disagreement with the SEC's stance on whether cryptocurrencies should be considered securities. He argued that cryptocurrencies should not be treated as securities and disclosed the agency's demand for Coinbase to halt trading in all crypto tokens except Bitcoin before filing a lawsuit against the exchange. The case is one of several pending that seek to clarify the regulatory status of cryptocurrencies in the US. Apple is also making big moves as investors look forward to their earnings results. Apple's main supplier, Foxconn, plans to invest nearly $500 million to build 2 component factories in India as part of its diversification efforts away from China. Apple stock also received positive news from an analyst who raised its price target on Apple stock to $204 from $180 while maintaining its outperform rating. On top of that, other analysts raised their price targets on Apple to $220 from $195 while maintaining its outperform rating. But the good news does not stop there because Procter & Gamble reported a 5% growth in sales, driven by price increases for products like Crest toothpaste and Pampers. However, sales volume declined as some customers switched to cheaper alternatives, leading to a cautious forecast from the company. We also saw retail giant Walmart has made a strategic move to strengthen its presence in India's rapidly expanding digital market. The company recently paid $1.4 billion to acquire more shares in Flipkart, the Indian e-commerce giant. This comes after Walmart's initial investment of $16 billion in 2018, which gave the company a majority stake in Flipkart. With India's digital market witnessing significant growth, Flipkart claims to have amassed over 450 million customers, making it an attractive target for Walmart's continued expansion in the region. In other news, Dell, a prominent technology company, has announced its commitment to embracing generative AI. It is offering hardware solutions that can support powerful AI models, and they are launching a new platform to help organizations venture into the world of generative AI. This move reflects Dell's recognition of the potential of AI technologies and its desire to enable businesses to leverage these powerful tools effectively. You should also know that PLTR, a leading data analytics company, has been chosen by the U.S. Department of Defense to automate spectrum coordination workflows. The selection of PLTR highlights its capabilities in streamlining complex processes and providing data-driven insights for crucial government operations. As a result of this development, PLTR's stock price surged to reach new 52-week highs, reflecting investors' optimism regarding the company's growth prospects. Speaking about investors being optimistic, another company also reached a new high. Online personal finance company SOFI has reached new 52-week highs in the stock market. The achievement comes amidst a period of growing interest in fintech companies, particularly those that offer innovative financial services and solutions to consumers. SOFI's recent success indicates a positive sentiment among investors and consumers alike. Another company that has been making big moves is Google. The tech giant renowned for its AI advancements has ambitious plans to overhaul its assistant with a focus on generative AI technologies. These technologies, similar to the ones powering ChatGPT and Google's own Bard chatbot, hold the promise of more advanced and human-like interactions with users. Additionally, Google is experimenting with using AI to automatically generate video summaries for YouTube, showcasing its dedication to leveraging AI across various products and services. Also, if you are a fan of energy drinks, then listen to this. Monster Beverage Corporation has successfully completed its acquisition of Bang Energy, a popular energy drink brand. This acquisition allows Monster to expand its product portfolio and potentially capitalize on the growing demand for energy drinks in the market. Lastly, aerospace and defense company Lockheed Martin has secured 2 contract modifications with the U.S. Army worth a combined value of approximately $1.05 billion. These contracts further solidify Lockheed Martin's position as a major player in the defense industry and underscore the company's ongoing collaborations with the U.S. military. That's all the stock market news I have for today, but make sure to come back tomorrow for more updates. Before you go, remember to press the like button, comment on your favorite story down below, subscribe if you are new, and with that being said, happy investing.